अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं एक वन डिश रेसिपी जो टिफ़िन्स के लिए भी काम आ जाएगा एंड वेरी इजी टू मेक, जल्दी बन जाता है मॉर्निंग्स में। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। प्रेशर कुकर में बना लेते हैं। ऐड अ लेडल ऑफ ऑयल। जब ऑयल गर्म हो जाएगा 2 से 3 लौंग, पत्ता और इलायची, क्लोव्स, सिनेमम एंड कार्डमम ये ऐड करिए। Saute for a few seconds and then add 2 medium-sized onions sliced. Fry till almost golden brown. Onions अच्छे से फ्राई हो गया है। अब इसमें एक हरी मिर्च स्लिट करके ऐड कर दो। Now add 1 tablespoon garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Saute till the raw smell goes. Add a tablespoon or 2 of water if you find the masala sticking to the bottom of the pan. Now add 1 tablespoon of chilli powder and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. This is only for the masala. Later we'll add more salt when we add the rice. और अब इसमें half teaspoon जीरा powder और half teaspoon garam masala powder add करिए. Saute for a minute or so and then add 2 medium-sized tomatoes, sliced or chopped. Saute till the tomatoes become a little soft. When the tomatoes become soft and the oil leaves the sides, add 1 large potato or 2 medium-sized potatoes cubed. Mix well and add 1 tablespoon of curd. Saute well for 2 to 3 minutes and then add 250 grams of chicken. We will boil the chicken along with the masala and then remove the chicken and shred it. Saute till the oil leaves the sides and the chicken changes color and then add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add a handful of kothmeer and pudina leaves. Saute well and add 3 glasses of water. I have taken 2 glasses of rice, so I will be adding 4 glasses of water. For now, add 3 glasses. Mix, close the lid and pressure cook for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, let the cooker cool down on its own. Open and remove the chicken pieces, shred it and keep it aside. Let the masala be on low flame while you shred the chicken. Once the chicken is shredded, add it back to the masala. Mix and then add the soaked rice. I have taken half a kg of rice. You can use either basmati, zira rice or the normal raw rice. Add 1 glass of hot water. We have already added 3 glasses. And add 1 teaspoon of salt. We have already added 1 teaspoon of salt earlier, so that makes it 2. Add half to 1 cup of fresh peas. This is completely optional. Adjust the spices to your taste. Mix well, cover and cook for 2 more whistles. After 2 whistles, let's open the cooker. Smells heavenly. The rice is nicely done. It's hot, so it seems soft, but it isn't actually. Let's pack it into a lunch box now. Lunch box is now ready. Do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching.